Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus in yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, May the 12th, 2021. Today is actually Thursday, May the 13th, a Sessions Day today, and there are no newspaper today. So I will solve the rest of the puzzle page, and the following puzzle is a Sudoku with 2 stars, and I have a lot of troubles with the letter Sudoku previous one. I made a lot of mistakes. Could be happen because letter Sudokus, it's well, you cannot do double checks with the letter Sudokus, because those letters, yeah, I have troubles with them. Alright, so this one, the second Sudoku, or the Sudoku with 2 stars, will be a number 2785. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. So let's get started. Let me see. 88. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the third column is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8, no 8 in that box, so 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this first column, 3 in the third column, so in the column between. The second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third, in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. All right. 4, 8, 5. All right. 8, 8. Yeah. 8. Okay. 5, 5. Let me think. 2, 5, 5. 2, 5, 4. 9, 9. Come on. It's taking too long. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes, so the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4. Okay. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so the other pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. Alright. 1 and a 2. So 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and a 5. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 485, 485. Yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes in this row also for the numbers 2 and the 4 are missing. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 5 are missing. 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. 742. 742. Okay. And now. 1, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 129, 129. So 555. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9 are missing. 7 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright, now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this second row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square, 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. For 2 stars, well, I think it's a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And yeah, I like this one. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle in this puzzle page. It will be a tectonic. Tectonic with a 1 star. See you later. Bye-bye for now.